Hello guys, welcome to Trending Hunter channel, your ultimate destination for navigating world of trading. I am John, your guide on this thrilling journey through markets, strategies and all things trading related. Join me as we uncover valuable insights, explore techniques and hunt down all the best trading opportunities together. So let's get dive into it. Today our topic is day trading cryptocurrency tips and tricks. Day trading in the cryptocurrency market has soared in popularity, offering potential profits within short time frames. However, the volatility and rapid price fluctuation in this space require a strategic approach and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Here are essential tips and tricks for successful day trading in cryptocurrency. 1. Educate yourself. Begin by understanding the basics of cryptocurrency and day trading. Explore the market trends, trading charts, technical analysis, indicators, and fundamental analysis. Continuous learning and staying updated on market news are crucial for informed decision making. 2. Select the right exchange and assets. Focus on liquidity, security measures, fees, and available trading pairs. Additionally, diversify your portfolio by selecting multiple assets based on validity, equality, and market demand. 3. Develop a solid strategy. Establish a clear trading strategy with predefined entry and exit points, risk tolerance, and profit targets. Consider strategies like scalping, momentum trading, and breakout trading. 4. Risk management is key. Avoid risking more than a small percentage of your total trading capital on a single trade. Stick to your strategy and avoid emotional trading, which often leads to irrational decisions. 5. Utilize technical analysis. Combine technical analysis with fundamental analysis for a more conceptual trading approach. 6. Stay updated and adopt cryptocurrency markets are highly validated and influenced by various factors. Stay informed about market news, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. Accept your trading strategies based on market trends and new information. 7. Practice and discipline in executing trades. Avoid chasing quick profits or trying to recover losses harshly. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive decisions that deviate from your strategy. 8. Keep records and review. Regulatory review and adjust your strategy based on your trading history and lessons learned. Conclusion. Day trading cryptocurrency can be highly rewarding but comes with inherent risks. By educating yourself, employing solid strategies, managing risks, and maintaining discipline, you can increase your chances of success in navigating this volatile yet potentially market. Remember, it's a journey that requires continuous learning, adoption, and a prudent approach to trading. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you like the video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.